Hello, this will be the first video in a couple part series of buying a cheap POS excavator and seeing how it holds up. I bought this Cat 215C for 10,000 bucks. It's pretty cheap for a big excavator. I believe it's a 36 or 38,000 pound machine. I live in a very rural town in the middle of nowhere. It was here. It started up. It hadn't been ran for a couple, 2-3 years. Started up, walked it home the quarter mile, and then had to replace the big boom lift cylinders, or had to have the seals replaced in them because they were leaking pretty bad. Other than that, just changed oil and changed all the filters, and we're gonna go out and run it and see if it actually hold up for a little while. Hopefully it wasn't a huge waste of money and I don't have to sell it for scrap. But we'll go put it to work and see what it'll do. We'll do a quick walk around of it too. So this is it. It's a way bigger machine than I really needed. I was going to buy another mini, but it was here and the price seemed right as long as it actually runs. It cost me about 1,500 bucks to have the main boom lift cylinders rebuilt. Other than that, just maintenance. It's big and yellow like Big Bird, but we're going to call it Big Turd instead. It's been well loved, if you want to call it that, used and abused. That could also be it. It's got a Cat 3304 engine in it. It leaks all over the place. Everything does. We're just gonna keep it topped off with oil and run it and see what it'll do. We're gonna go try to tear out a foundation first and then move a bunch of dirt, and hopefully it don't break and end up sitting in my friend's yard for the winter. So I've put about 20 hours on it now, doing some stuff for some friends. You know, really for a cheap old machine, it's held together pretty good. I got a pretty good leak going on my bucket curl cylinder, but as long as it sat, I knew that was going to be an issue. I already had the two main boom lift cylinders rebuilt, so I'll get the bucket curl cylinder rebuilt. And other than that, she's old and she's sloppy, but it gets the job done. It doesn't run hot, does everything I ask it to. It's actually been pretty good so far. Hopefully next summer we can get some more work out of her and it'll pay for itself pretty quickly probably. Thanks for watching. Bye.